Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing something I have never done before. I'm going to be trying out a tinted moisturizer. Is it what it's called? Yes, like it's supposed to be an alternative to foundation. I think that as Africans we should all come together and just agree that foundation, especially like full coverage heavy duty foundation, just doesn't work for us. Honestly, for our climate, the way our environment is set up, it just doesn't work at all. Don't get me wrong, I love makeup, like I love a good face beat, but 98% of the time I don't have makeup on. In fact, recently, for the past maybe 2 to 3 years now, I only wear makeup when I want to film and on special occasions. I just cannot stand wearing makeup out of my house because the weather is so hot. Imagine doing like a full face beat and then going out and the foundation is just dripping, and no matter the sweat proof, bulletproof sort of setting spray that you use, it just doesn't work. It really does not work. And before I started driving, it used to be a hassle as well to finish dressing up in your house and then start jumping buses with makeup on. It's not a good look at all. And then if you decide to enter Uber, some of them just decide that they don't want to on their AC, especially now that the fuel price is something else. A lot of Uber drivers, they refuse to use their AC, and it's just a lot. It's just a lot. I'm sure that a lot of you would relate. A lot of you agree with me. I have been in those situations so many times, and it's really frustrating. And I have always wanted to find an alternative to foundation so that I can go out all the time looking good. So I think this tinted moisturizer is an alternative. If you're someone like me who does not like that sort of stress, then I think this would come in handy. I went with the Clinique Moisture Surge Sheer Tint Hydrator. This has SPF 25. The reason why I got this particular one was because the day I went into the mall, they were on sale, so I just decided to try it and buy it. So I bought this on sale, so I'm not going to be saying the price that I bought it for, but there are a lot of brands that have tinted moisturizer on their line of products. If you cannot get tinted moisturizer, an alternative would be to use a lightweight foundation. There's one that I am going to buy and try, and I'll share with you guys here as well. But for today, we'll be trying out the Clinique Moisture Surge. It's a sheer tint hydrator. Like I said, it has SPF 25. I am hoping that this is my shade. I am about 75% sure that it is my shade because they tested it on my skin in the store before I got this one, so hopefully the lighting in the store matches like the light outside. I'm just going to go ahead and try this out. This is what it looks like outside of the box. It's 40 ml, so that's the size that you get with this, and the texture is creamy. It has almost a foundation like texture, which I think is good. Now I'm just going to see how it feels on my skin, if it's doing what it's supposed to do. I'm using a brush because I think with a brush I'll be able to distribute and apply as sheer as I want. Oh, this matches my skin well. I think my face is darker than my neck, so I usually match my foundation to my face instead of my neck. I like it that way because that's honestly what my skin composition is. So I mostly don't like matching foundations to my neck. Usually when I highlight with concealers, everything would blend, so I go with darker foundations. Oh, this is nice. It has like a glowy finish. I really love it. It looks like skincare and feels really light. I can't even feel that I have applied anything on my face. So this is the part where I applied it to. Let me take my hair out of the way. This is the part of my face where the foundation is on, and this is the part of my face without foundation. It still looks like skin, and I really love it. There's this glowy shine to it that I love as well. So it did not just mattify my face. It's really nice. It just gives you that clean girl look, like you just did your skincare and you left the house. So this is really nice. I can still see some of my dark spots through the foundation. So it's obviously not full coverage, which you shouldn't be expecting from like a tinted moisturizer. It's not supposed to be full coverage, and it's not going to cover all of your skin blemishes, and I think I'm fine with that. My skin is not so bad right now, so this looks really good. I don't think that I want to apply more. I'm liking the way that this one coat feels and looks on me, so I'm just going to rub what is left on the brush to my forehead, and yeah, that's it. This is what my face looks like after application all over, and I think that I love it. It doesn't feel it doesn't feel weird at all. It doesn't feel heavy. It's really light, and it looks like skin. I like the glow to it. Like I said, this is really beautiful, and I really do love it. This works so well for the days when I don't want to do too much with my makeup, like it's going to bang. Following the same subtle vibe, I'm just going to do the rest of my makeup really quick, and then we'll come back to see what the final look is. This is the finished look, guys, and I think that it looks great. I kept everything else simple, even my lips. I barely touched my brows, and everything came out looking great. This can work for like everyday work, casual outings, and I'm sure that I can make it work if I was going for like a big occasion like a wedding or birthday. I can just change up the lips, do a proper structured brow and a bit of eyeshadow, and this, it will just elevate the look, and you won't have to feel so heavy and uncomfortable, and you will look really great. So I think this works. This really does work. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Would you be switching up your foundation for a tinted moisturizer? Let me know in the comment section. I'm definitely not throwing my foundations away. I'll still use them, but I think that this is going to be my new everyday regular schmegular look. I think I can switch it up however I want and just make it work for whatever occasion I'm going for. But I think that I love it. I'm talking too much right now. I'm just repeating the same things over and over again. That's how you know that I really like this product. If you like this video, it means that you like my other videos. So just start with these two and go from there. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.